Welcome to the Teamworks tutorial, sharing content, including files, bookmarks, photos, and videos. Sharing content lets others build on what you know or have done. Now your knowledge and material can help other colleagues to do their work better and more efficiently, ultimately strengthening the knowledge base of the entire organization. But sharing helps you too. It's easier for you to access your own documents if you've uploaded them online. Sharing makes you more visible and increases your reputation in the organization, which in turn may open up new opportunities and connections. Get into the habit of uploading files to Teamworks, be it to your profile or to a space, instead of just sending them to a small group by email. This way your colleagues can access your knowledge without making you send it to them individually. No more repetitive requests. Share it once and you're done. To upload content, go to Add on the top menu, which is up here all the time. The drop-down asks you what kind of content it is. Choose File, Photo, or Video. Now, use the Upload button to find your file on your computer. I've got mine here on my desktop. The title will come up automatically after you upload, but you can change it because it will be the same as the file name. Here in this box, add a brief synopsis of the kind of information colleagues will find in this document. I'm going to cut and paste this from a document that I already have open, which is the one that I'm uploading. Now you select where you want to post it to. Post it to a space or spaces that you belong to, if the content is relevant to those spaces. You see here that I'm a member of a lot of spaces. Members of the spaces will be notified about that file when you upload it. Alternatively, you can just let it live on your profile so that people can find it by searching in your profile. The access feature helps determine the security level. Regarding access, it's not so much who is this file for, but rather who is this file not for. The broader you can share it, the better. Of course, some files are for a limited group, maybe just for your own agency, or just for the colleagues on a particular project. Others may be just for you, such as a draft file. Now enter some tags. User tags are the keywords that make the document more searchable. A good rule is to tag your content by the keywords you would use to search for it yourself. Don't tag your content so generically that this item is not unique in some way. You can check out the good tagging practices for more on this. Now, under the Advanced tab, you can choose to refer to this file in your status update. So I'm going to make an announcement that I'm uploading it. Here you can define the type of file it is. Next, credit the source. Of course, the team or the author or the organization that you received this file from or who wrote the document. Here you should be aware of any copyright issues. If it's an image or video, choose a gallery. This drop-down shows all the galleries in all the spaces that you can associate your image or video with. However, if you realize only now that you wanted to create a gallery but didn't, you can always put it into a gallery later. Under Categories, here you can assign a category for your content across 4 dimensions: topics, business units, regions, or country. Click a category to select it. There are category tags which people can search. Click Save once you are done, and that's it. Afterwards, if you'd like to add a comment, you can. Here I'll put a few words in. Equally, other users after the fact can add comments here. In this little box, you can also choose that a notification is not disseminated for this piece of content, such as if it's an old document and you don't want an announcement to go out when you upload it. And that's it, you've uploaded the document and your colleagues can see it in their activity river, if they have the access permissions to see the document. And then when you return to your dashboard, you see that the file is here when you need it, or in the appropriate box in the space that you've posted it to. And now it's out there, adding to the organization's knowledge and creating value. Now let's say the content wasn't uploaded by you, but you saw it on Teamworks and you wanted to add it to another space you think may be interested in it. Well, just go to the document details and click Cross Post up here on the right. Select the space and click Save. Now a reference to the document is listed in the library of the relevant space too. Remember that this is not the original instance of the document, so if the owner of the original document decides to delete it, your reference will be deleted as well. Now how about content that's not on Teamworks nor on your desktop? Let's assume you read it online. Just like in your web browser, you can save a web link as a bookmark. For that, go to the web page in question, to the address bar and click Copy. Then go back to Teamworks top menu, click on Add, select Bookmark, and then go through the same process as before. Don't forget to include any necessary copyright notice and the tags and document information as before. Bookmarking is a great way to share something of value in a matter of seconds, because if the content was that interesting to you, there's a good chance it will be of interest to others too. And at the least, you will be able to find it easily if you need to refer to it again. Moreover, now that you've made it searchable for you and your colleagues, you're adding to the pool of knowledge on the Teamworks site. Now you know how to bring content into Teamworks. Why don't you try it right away?